Hey everyone, so in today's video we are going to solve an RC and we are going to solve it from Guidely Bundle PDF course because the question levels are very good for prelims and for mains also. So today you will get an overview of this bundle course also who had any doubt regarding this. So that's why I have chose this bundle PDF. Okay, and if you have any doubts in any question, then it provides video solutions also, plus the amount of questions is enough for you to practice for prelims and mains both. Okay, and I will show you the link of where you can find the video solution. So as you can see, I have this prelims plus mains bundle PDF. I will open it, and one more thing I want to show you is that as I told you, there are separate bundle PDFs for every exam like SBI clerk prelims, then RRB PO pre, and you can see the number of questions are 500. Okay, then RRB clerk pre, SBI PO pre, IBPS clerk pre, then IBPS PO pre, then there are mains bundles also. Okay, and you can see there is also a separate mains bundle for all exams. So this is quite good deal if you want to invest in this, and if you purchase this prelims and mains bundle you will get all the PDF courses. Fine, now we will move to SBI clerk pre because I have selected the RC from this PDF bundle, and as you can see that the bundle PDFs are available in both Hindi and English. Okay, and this is 50 days schedule, and you can see they provide different questions like in reasoning different number of pairs and silo questions. Now in aptitude mixed arithmetic questions are there, as I always discuss it in my to-do list that from where I practice the questions. So you can see that they provide mixed arithmetic questions plus different type of DIs, and then for speed test they provide simplification, approximation, number series and quadratic. Okay, now we will move to day 3 because the reading comprehension of new pattern is given in this day. I will open this PDF, and now you can see it has opened. Okay, so this is the RC we are going to solve. Okay, so what we have to do is first just read the questions. So the first question is which of the following is true in the context of the passage. So there is no keyword, we have to read the RC. Next is across how many states they transport billions of coal, steel, chemicals and other goods each year. So it has number in it, as we will see the next options also. So it has a number in it. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to find the keyword of any number, and now here we will start from here, and we can see that here it is given in fourth line from the start that each year across 52 states. Now we have got our answer, that answer is 52. So the answer of this question will be C. Okay, second question. For third question, it is a phrasal verb question and the phrase is as quiet as a sheep. So as I have told you that we can solve 3 to 4 questions of RC without reading it. Okay, and now I am showing you how to do this. So as quiet as a sheep means which is silent. Okay, which contributes something silently, like which keep doing its work silently. So this is what it means. And now as quiet as a mouse also means the same thing, that is as quiet as a sheep. Okay, so the answer of third question is A. Now we will move to fourth question. According to the passage, the possible unexpected benefit of recession is, there are given some options and there are options from options. So we will do this question later. Now we will move to fifth question, which is which of the following is most nearly the same meaning of word egregious used in the passage. So egregious means which is shocking. Okay, by seeing it we get surprised, so it is egregious. Now we can see that shocking, dreadful and awful means the same thing as egregious, and astonishing is the antonym of egregious. So our answer will be 1, 2 and 3. And now we will check in the options. Here in D we can see that all are similar except option 4, and it will be our answer. Fine. Now we will move to sixth question, and in sixth question we have to find an error in this. Now we will just read this. Okay, we will not find these lines, we will not try to read these lines from RC, but we will deal it as a error detection question only. Okay, just think that it is not from RC. So we will read now. 14 log out of the total 28 are expected to fail by 2021, costing the economy billions of dollars. So here we can see that 14 logs will be there because 14 is countable noun, but it is like it is more than 1. So 14 logs will be there, and here hence A has error in it. Okay, now we will move to seventh question, and in seventh question it is asked that which is the central theme of the passage. Now we have to skim the passage. For the first question we will start from first question. Which of the following is true in context of passage? First line is, despite being in a poor state, carrier ships rarely break down. We have to find the keyword breakdown. Okay, here we will start from here. Inland waterways as quiet as a ship keep the nation's economy flowing as they transport 190 billion of ye, and locks and dam threatens the delivery. And then but breakdown, we have found our keyword in this line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, eighth line from up. Okay, breakdown of these carriers are frequent. Here it is given that the breakdown is frequent, but in A it is given that it rarely breaks down, so we will cut option A. Now we will move to option B. Nation's economy is flowing as they transport 170 billion of coal. We have read this earlier also, that in third line from upwards it is written that they transport 190 billion of coal, so it is also wrong. Next is, the nation's infrastructure will increasingly support to handle the load. Now we will move to here, and we will try to find the keyword load. Okay, and nation's economy. So we will start skimming. Here in first line of second paragraph we can see that as the economy picks up, the nation's cracking infrastructure will increasingly struggle to handle the load. We have found the keyword load and nation's economy, nation's infrastructure, and it will struggle, and in this option it is given that it will support, so C is also wrong. Now we will move to D. The lock and dam system is the most appalling and congested transportation systems. We will try to find the keyword lock and dam system. Okay, and here in we will try to find this lock and dam system also. Here it is given in second paragraph that the ancient lock and dam system is perhaps the most egregious example of aging or congested transportation, and it is also given here. So here D will be our right answer of the first question, and we have done second question earlier. Now we will move to next question. Third also we have done. We will move to fourth question now. Fine. According to the passage, the possible unexpected benefit of recession is, first what we will do is we will find the keyword recession in the RC. So here we will try to find the word recession, and here it is given in the third paragraph. The shortcomings were partly masked during the recession as fewer people worked and less freight was shipped. What we will do is we will just note the keyword lowered expectation of traders, people can take more credit, ease in traffic congestion, and we will try to find these keywords from this third paragraph. And here we can see that easing traffic is given, easing traffic on transportation corridors, and nothing is given for the rest two options. So here third will be our right answer for this question, like only 3. So C will be the answer of fourth question. Now we have done the fifth, sixth, yeah, We have done the fifth, sixth question. We will move to the last question. Which of the following is the central theme of the passage? Okay. So we will read recession and its effect on economy of a country, why promoting trading through waterways is important, the need to preserve antiquated locks and dams, deteriorating deteriorating condition of waterways. Deteriorating is which is becoming worse and worse day by day, factor contributing to recession. So for this we have to skim the RC and try to find out the meaning. So we will read from here. Here we can see that breakdown of carriers is given, and then the nation's infrastructure will struggle to handle the load, and shipping around roadblocks, it will cause the nation to lose exports to other countries, which will hamper the economy, hamper the recovery. Lock and dam system is perhaps the most egregious example of aging and congested transport system that are being outstripped by demand. Here we can see that it has discussed the problems in the inland waterways. Okay, that the lock and dam system is also very old, and economy will struggle to handle this load, and then seaport also cannot accommodate larger container ships, slowing exports. Okay, so the shortcomings of waterways is discussed here, and here we will try to see, and we can see that in D option deteriorating condition of waterways is given, and it is our answer because from the first to last paragraph only deteriorating condition of waterways is discussed. So this will be our answer, like D will be the answer of seventh question. Now here we have seen that we have solved the prelims level RC without reading it full. Okay, there is no need to first start reading of RC and then doing questions. It is very time consuming, plus it is not a smart approach. Okay, now I will show you where you can find video solutions. Here this QR code is here. You can scan this QR code, or you can just click to the link to get detailed video solution. Fine, because it is very important to get video solution, as if you have any doubts then you can understand it in a very simple manner. So that's all for today. Tell me if you want more videos on RC. I will try to make more videos, like I will try to make one video daily on reading comprehension of prelims level, and for mains level also I will try. So thank you and have a nice day.